wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best wood rolling pins. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the fabquality paisley is embossed with a beautiful design that transfers onto your dough as you roll it out. It's 16 inches long and comes with a silicone coaster, 2 metal drinking straws, and a bonus recipe ebook. It's ideal for fancy pastries and is equipped with easy-to-grip handles. However, note that the barrel is only 8 inches long. At number 9, the J.K. Adams Lovely Maple comes in 2 sizes, 18 and 24 inches, and is durably constructed with a waxed barrel to help prevent it sticking. It's got a steel axle that runs the entire span and raised edges that keep the dough at an equal thickness. It weighs 12 ounces and comes with tough nylon bearings, but it may need to be sanded and oiled. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Smells French Roller measures 12 inches, but don't let its small size fool you. This handcrafted selection is just right for all kinds of dough, and its gently tapered design is easy for small hands to grip. It's got a waxed barrel to prevent sticking and weighs less than 5 ounces. However, it may be too small for some uses. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wood rolling pins, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Totally Bamboo pin is over 20 inches long and suitable both for at-home chefs and restaurant use. Made from Moso bamboo, it has an inlay of end-grain wood to create a striking visual presence. It's a tapered design made from a renewable resource, but note that it's not safe for the dishwasher. Moving up our list to number 6. The Creativity Street set is a charming collection, ideal for rolling out clay as well as dough. These sturdy options are durably made and each features a different pattern. They come in a pack of 4 with a non-stick coating and weigh under 9 ounces in total. Halfway up our list at number 5. The J.K. Adams dowel is a professional quality option crafted from strong maple with a smooth surface. This solid yet lightweight choice weighs just over 1 pound, and you can use it with universal rings to ensure the correct thickness of dough. It's resistant to splintering and 19 inches long, with a 2-inch diameter. At number 4, the Woodpeckers Mini measures only 7 inches long and is crafted from quality birchwood. This tiny tool is ideal for fondant, pasta, or teaching children how to roll out cookie dough. It comes in a pack of 12 and is a single-piece construction. It's great for crafts too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the karryoung French measures 18 inches long and is made from solid rubber wood, so it's durable enough for at-home or professional use. Its tapered design makes it easy to roll. It weighs under 10 ounces and has a non-stick surface, and it disperses weight evenly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wood rolling pins, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Good Cook Classic is available singly or in packs with up to 4. It features a 1-piece barrel construction and is made with hardwood and nylon bearings for durability. It weighs only 8.2 ounces and is 17 inches long with the handles. It's just over 6 inches in diameter and the barrel is 10 inches long. The handles can be detached. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Joseph 20085 is an adjustable option that features removable rings to ensure you get the desired thickness of dough. A width measurement guide is also etched into the wood. The rings are attached with screws and it's a beechwood construction that's 17 inches long. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wood rolling pins, or simply click beneath this video.